to tell you guys a quick tip on how to hang a wall cabinet by yourself. Okay, couldn't find no help today, so what I did was I mounted a ledger board, a piece of metal that I had, and what I did is I set it on the very bottom of the cabinet where it was gonna go. Right now there's only one screw holding this cabinet, and that's at the top. So what I did is I marked where I was gonna put it. You can see my pen mark going up there. I used the level down on the wall, making sure, and I marked it with a pen. And then I put this under my ledger board, calling the ledger board that silver thing. And I pre-drilled screws. You can use a 2x4 if you need to. I just had this piece of metal. And I made sure that it was level from the bottom. So I put it in the studs. Usually they're about 16 inches. So one to the right, one to the left, and then one way over there. So now I knew that was level, and all I did is put the wall cabinet on it. I stood up here and I drilled a hole. Oh, I pre-did this, sorry. Pre-drilled those, knowing where the stud was gonna be, because I marked it from left to right where it was gonna fall on my line. Am I showing you guys that right here, this line going up and down. So hopefully this gives you an idea on how to screw the wall cabinet up by yourself, quick and easy. Great idea. Give me a thumbs up.